Commodity trading isn't easy. It's often complex, high risk, and demands constant attention. But what if advanced AI could manage it all for you? Automatically? Meet TeonGas, your intelligent AI assistant for trading natural gas, purpose-built for the global energy market, including Ireland's rapidly evolving sector. Ireland's energy landscape is transforming fast, with rising interest in smarter, cleaner solutions. TeonGas keeps pace in real time, helping you navigate natural gas trading with clarity, speed, and zero guesswork. Just log in. No software to install, no complicated setup. Access TeonGas from your phone, tablet, or desktop, whether you're at home or on the move in Ireland. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description, enter your email, and receive early access login details, a full onboarding walkthrough, and exclusive welcome bonus. How TeonGas works. TeonGas continuously monitors both global and local energy markets, including key hubs like the Irish Energy Exchange, analyzing live commodity data, detecting real-time opportunities, and executing trades based on proven, optimized strategies. No need to be a market expert. No need to track prices all day. TeonGas handles everything, from identifying trades to managing risk and optimizing performance. The platform is designed to be clean and user-friendly for beginners, but also powerful and customizable for seasoned traders. It integrates seamlessly with major commodity and energy trading systems. So whether you're focusing on natural gas futures or building a broader portfolio across European energy markets, TeonGas is ready from day one. And since it's fully cloud-based, you can track your results or adjust your strategy anywhere, anytime. TeonGas is built for investors who want to stay ahead with less stress and more insight. No hype, no noise, just AI-powered trading for today's energy markets, including Ireland's. Tap the link now to reserve your spot and unlock smarter natural gas trading. Smarter tools, smarter trades. TeonGas. AI working for your energy portfolio.